Welcome to my video on measuring a acute angle with a protractor. What I'm going to do first of all, before I start any measurements, I'm going to draw my baseline triangle here. And I'm using a 30, 60, 90 template so that I know the angles that I'm going to be measuring with the protractor to make sure that I get them right. I'm going to complete these here so I get nice points or vertexes for my triangle. Okay, so there's my triangle. That's not very good. That's our 90 degrees, our 60 degrees, and this is our 30 degrees from that. Now, what we want to do is use our protractor. Before we do that, we're going to look at the parts of the protractor. This is going to be the center point. That's where the vertex goes. And then this is the baseline, and these are our two scales. You can see they start at 0 and go to 180, and then over here they go from 0 to 180. Left and right scales, depending on where you put the point of origin here and which way you measure it. I'm going to show you to do both ways. So first of all, let's start with this angle right here. We're going to put it right here at the vertex, where these two lines meet, the two rays meet. Line this up right here as close as you can. And if you look, this goes to 60 degrees between the 70 and the 50, so it's the 60 degrees. Now, I'm going to put the triangle the other way, the protractor the other way. So put that the vertex, the baseline, line here. It's also 60 degrees. We know this is our acute angles, less than 90 degrees. So we measure this twice to 60 degrees as it should be. Let's measure this one. All right, so that came out to around right at the 30 degree mark here on this scale. Let's put it the other way. Use the other scale essentially, and we're going to get a 30 degrees on this scale. It's not 120 because we know those are acute angles are less than 90, so use the scale that's appropriate. And then this one should be a right angle. Okay, so there's 90 degrees. Now if we put it this way, $90 degrees. So 90 degrees, 30 degrees. Well, I hope you got a little bit out of measuring this triangle with a standard protractor and learned a little bit about positioning and what the protractor can do for you. It's a great way to measure angles or to draw angles. Thank you for watching.